Chapter 15 Means of Communication. Learning objectives: communication, personal communication, mass media. Communication. Human beings are social animals who live in a society. They cannot survive without exchanging thoughts, ideas, and emotions. Communication is the sending and receiving of messages, information, and ideas. We use different means of communication to send messages, information, and ideas from one place to another and exchange information with each other. In earlier times, people sent letters using pigeons or horse riders. This took many days to reach the concerned person. As the society progressed, there was a big change in the way people communicated. This was due to development in technology. There was postal service, telephones, radio, television, and newspapers. At present, communication is instantaneous with mobile phones, email, and internet. Personal communication. Postal service. The Post and Telegraph Department of our government takes care of our letters, telegrams, parcels, and money orders. We buy postage stamps, postcards, inland letters, and envelopes room a post office. Letters are carried by train or aeroplanes and take a few days to reach their destinations. These days, big cities have special letter boxes marked QMS or Quick Mail Service. Letters posted by the QMS reach much faster. The PIN code number should be written clearly in the address, as it ensures the faster delivery of letters. The Postal Department has introduced a postal service called the Speed Post, by which letters are delivered in 1 or 2 days. Private courier services are also very popular these days. Telephone. Telephone is a quick and convenient means of communication. One can dial a number and talk to a person on phone anywhere in India or the world. Telephones are not only installed at homes, but they are of great help even at railway stations, police stations, fire stations, hospitals, shops, post offices, etc. The PCO, Public Call Office, provides facility for making local calls, STD, Standard Trunk Dialing Calls, and ISD, International Subscriber Dialing Calls through code numbers. Telephone. Telephones are connected by wires known as cables. Cordless phones work within a certain range. People also carry mobile phones with them. Mobile cell phones have a 10-digit number. The telephone department also provides telex service through which typed messages can be sent very quickly. This method is often used by people working in the offices, airlines, and government and newspaper offices. Fax. Fax is a faster means of sending written messages through telephone lines. A message sent through a fax reaches the dialed number almost instantly. Bits and bytes. The full form of fax is facsimile access exchange. Email. Through email, we send and receive messages by computers. It is a mode of transmission of computerized data or messages. It has revolutionized the world of communication. People across the world can share information through the email or the electronic mail. Quick tip. Email stands for mass media are the means of mass communication, which means communicating with a large number of people. Through mass media, messages can be sent to many people at the same time. Radio, television, newspaper, magazines, and cinema are the means of mass media. Radio. The All India Radio is the main broadcasting service in India, also known as Akashvani. It broadcasts news, educational programs, folk music, regional and film music, and entertainment programs in Hindi, English, and all regional languages. With the introduction of FM channels, radio has become an essential part in everyone's life. Bits and bytes. A single spam email produces as much pollution as is caused by an automobile when it drives almost 3 feet of distance. Television. The television is a wholesome package of entertainment, educational and informative services. It is a combination of both audio and visual communication. India has the third largest network of television in the world after USA and China. It offers many channels in numerous languages and dialects. Newspapers, magazines and books. Newspapers, magazines and books are a good means of mass communication. These are widely circulated in India. They provide the latest news from all parts of the world, advertisements, employment and other information. These days we can read an e-book or e-magazine on the internet. Social networking sites. It refers to websites like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Hike, etc., which build a social group for the users. It is the most recent and rapidly growing network in our country. Currently, India has millions of social networking website users. Cinema. Cinema also spreads messages. Films educate and entertain people. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. Advertising. Advertising is a type of communication which tries to tell people to buy certain products and services. It uses telecommunication devices such as mobiles, telephones, etc., and means of mass communication such as newspaper, television, etc. to attain its objective. Advertising has also become a strong media in the last few years. It not only sells products but also spreads social awareness. For example, lots of advertisements make us aware of the ill effects of drinking, drugs and smoking. Life skills and values. We should use all means of communication such as letters, telephones, computers, etc. carefully. In a nutshell, the sending and receiving of messages, information and ideas is known as communication. Letters are carried by mail or aeroplanes and take a few days to reach their destinations. Telephone is the fastest means of communication. Email is made of man's mission of computerized data or messages. Mass media are the means of mass communication, which means communicating with a large number of people. Radio, television, newspapers, magazines and cinema are the means of mass